Operation Sindoor, India has avenged the Pahalgam massacre. There was a very stern warning which has now been given to Pakistan. Prime Minister Modi has said that Operation Sindoor was not just a one-off exercise, but this is India's new policy against terrorism. He once again reiterated that terror, talks and trade, they cannot go together. Prime Minister Modi, while speaking with regards to the Indus Water Treaty, said that India suspended it as a part of the diplomatic strike against Pakistan. Also said that blood and water cannot flow together. In his first address to the nation since Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Modi also slammed Pakistan for supporting terrorism and said India terrorists and the backers are the same. All those people who indulge in terrorism and the backers, they are all residing in Pakistan. Also made it very clear that India and Pakistan from now on can only have conversation when it's regarding terrorism and the return of POK, that is Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. It's not just that. He also asserted that any terror attack on India from now on will be met with a very strong and resolute response, and India will retaliate on its own terms.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है। एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर जवाब देकर रहेंगे। हर उस जगह जाकर कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे जहां से आतंक की जड़ें निकलती हैं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है, ये देश के कोटि कोटि लोगों की भावनाओं का प्रतिबिंब है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर न्याय की अखंड प्रतिज्ञा है। 6 मई की देर रात, 7 मई की सुबह पूरी दुनिया ने इस प्रतिज्ञा को परिणाम में बदलते देखा है। भारत की सेनाओं ने पाकिस्तान में आतंक के ठिकानों पर, उनके ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स पर सटीक प्रहार किया। आतंकियों ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि भारत इतना बड़ा फैसला ले सकता है। लेकिन जब देश एकजुट होता है, नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना से भरा होता है, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि होता है, तो फौलादी फैसले लिए जाते हैं। इस आतंकी हमले के बाद सारा राष्ट्र, हर नागरिक, हर समाज, हर वर्ग, हर राजनीतिक दल एक स्वर में आतंक के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई के लिए उठ खड़ा हुआ। हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी, और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है। पाकिस्तानी फौज, पाकिस्तान की सरकार जिस तरह आतंकवाद को खाद पानी दे रहे हैं, वो एक दिन पाकिस्तान को ही समाप्त कर देगा। पाकिस्तान को अगर बचना है तो उसे अपने टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का सफाया करना ही होगा। इसके अलावा शांति का कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
My colleague Piyush is now joining me on the story. Piyush, a very clear message has been sent out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's drawn a line in the sand, very, very clear. The change in doctrine, India will not take it lightly, and Operation Sindoor is not over. It's only a pause button that has been hit.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. The Prime Minister yesterday in his speech has made it very, very clear that we are now going to draw a new line, and that's a red line. If you cross that, we will decide how to teach you a lesson. And three big elements were part of Prime Minister's speech in which he has made it very clear that, terrorists cannot hide under nuclear blackmail. We are not going to tolerate this. And he has also said that if any kind of terror activity is carried out, then we will decide how to respond, when to respond. And the last, Prime Minister has also made it very clear that there is no difference between the masterminds of terrorism and the state, Pakistan state, which is sponsoring this. He has also said that Operation Sindoor is now going to be our new policy. We have just put our military actions on hold, and we will see what kind of attitude Pakistan is now going to adopt. And if there is any kind of change, then we will treat it accordingly. Remember, Aishwarya, that in the last more than 2 weeks, Prime Minister himself has been monitoring each and every development. And yesterday's speech was made after a deliberation which took place between the top commanders of army, in which you also saw how NSA Ajit Doval was present, S. Jaishankar was there, Defence Minister was there, and after that there was a separate meeting between NSA, IF Chief and PM Narendra Modi. So after this series of meetings, we are now seeing how India is now taking a very strong stance against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism.